It's an 1899 steam engine. There, this guy in Loftus, and that's a 1939. There's another one down here. And this one's a 1915 job. There's another one down the back, just behind it there. So that's the trucks. How's that? I bet you wish you had those. Cheers. So that's the hand, where is it? The hand start down there.
Oh well.
So you
Yes,
hand crank that.
Just hold on. This one.
What year is this one?
1955.
1955. It's a diesel. It's a big one. Oh, here's the hand.
So if you just wrong way. If you just put that in there, and you can get yourself trying to crank that in that case then.
What you reckon? That's filming. It's just filming at the moment.
Oh,
Which
way does it go?
Oh, that's already on.
I think so. Push it in, you'll feel it engage. You have to get it right in.
Turn. It's got diesel in it, hasn't it?
Yeah. Okay, anyhow, turn this off and I'll give you I'll just tell you one thing then. I don't know whether it's supposed to stop. Like, it's put upside down there here. But now one of the things we did do here, which we have put a key into here, so as to stop anybody coming in to, well, let's try to start it when there's nobody home.
Oh yeah.
It's just like the ignition key in your car. You just turn the key around, which will complete the electrical power supply.
Oh, okay, yeah, so it's all hooked up. So it'd start if you could crank it.
Mm?
It would start.
Well, no, I would just press it.